Alright guys, right before the video starts, I was just going to go over a few things about the Yubari. Before you buy it, they didn't disclose the torpedo range, which is 6K. It's usable, it's pretty good. The damage is really good on these, they're decently fast. The reload is nice. One only thing that really isn't good is the actual angle of fire you have on them. They're just basically the middle of the ship. I mean, you have to be broadside to somebody to shoot torpedoes. It's kind of restrictive. That's fine, whatever. The engine in this actually seems to get blown up a lot, and so I have this module for the repair time and to reduce the chance for critical, which seemed to happen almost every shot or every round. Sometimes, and I have the it seems like I think everybody knows on this patch the turrets are a bit fragile, and especially since this only has 2 turrets, it's kind of really inconvenient when half your firepower gets blown up. So I have that mounted also. The rate of fire 9.2, which is nice. Turning, not so great. Usable. It's a cruiser, you can make it work. The actual firing range is almost 13K. It's pretty good. But, yeah, the concealment, it's Japanese, just cruiser. Decent concealment, 10K, let's say. Anyways, besides that, I think it's a pretty cool looking ship. I like it. I had fun playing it. I think I will continue to have fun playing it, but yeah, kind of hard to get that first win sometimes. See that in the video. Right. Yubari. Problems with the engine getting blown up. So I outfitted the equipment to help with that. Hopefully I noticed something. It's an angry little dog. He's blind. It definitely is a lot better than the Kuma, though. So much better. Looks a lot cooler, too. Yeah, I don't want to go this way now. All by myself. Very fragile ship. He's trying to be sneaky. Get it on, sneaky. Oh man, this thing turns so fast. Went and screwed myself.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
We've destroyed an enemy cruiser.
Was engine out? Yeah. Well, that was lucky. There's a lot of cruisers down there. Don't want to fight a Kawaichi or a St. Louis. much.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Okay, he's out of range. Did that hurt him? No, I don't want to be down there. Ground himself? Perhaps. Oh, he's gonna eat some. Yeah, we're frickin' surrounded, man. Engine hit. Ah.
Unable to maneuver.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Problem solved, sir. The enemy is about to win.
Enemy destroyer blown up. Confirmed penetration.
Critical engine damage. The ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir.
Erg. Just cannot win at this thing.